Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the triple integrals. So the first thing, we need to do the integration of dz. So the integration of this one, that is about z squared over number 2. And then we put the bounds from s squared plus y squared to s, or the square root of s squared plus y squared. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. So we got like this. Because we have the power number 2, that's why this one we cancel the square root, and this one we have number 2. Next, in this one we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So the next one we have s squared plus y squared. So we put this one and this one go in here. So r squared and r squared we can do about factorization. And this one we have number 1. About dx dy, we need to transform into r dr d theta. So, and the next one, that is the bounds. So we can see that s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than the square root of 1 minus y squared. And y, that is from 0 to number 1. Now we need to graph about this one. So we need to put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. So I will put this one go to the left. And now we need to graph the circle with the center 0, 0 and the radius that is about number 1. So this one we have the circle. And in this situation we have the bounds in here. So we can see that s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to this one, that is about this one. About y from 0 to number 1, that is from here. So we need to focus about this region. So we go back in here. So s and y, that is about this one. So we have r square sine data cosine data. This one and this one, that is about r square minus r to the power of 4, because we have number 2 with number 2, we have number 4. This one, that is about r dr d data. About dr, that is from 0 to number 1, because this is about the radius of the circle. About the data, we can see that we start at number 0 and we stop at b over 2 in here. So in this one, we can put like this. So r square multiplied by r, so we have r to the power of 3. So the integration of this one, that is about sine data to the power of 2 over number 2. To calculate this one, you can use about integration by substitution. So you need to put about u equal to sine data, and you will have this one. So r to the power of 3 with r square, I will put 1 over 2 go outside. This integration of r to the power of 5, that is about r to the power of 6 over number 6, minus this one, that is about number 8. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here, and number 0 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 1 over number 2. This one we have 1 over 48. So in this one, we have 1 over 96. This is the end. Thank you for watching.